morning, students, and welcome to your English class.
Today, we will learn about letter H. Letter H is the next letter after letter G, and its sound is H, horse.
Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture?
In this picture, you can see a boy using a hammer to fix his bicycle. Name of the boy is Haris. His friend Hamid is also helping him. Haris, Hammer, Hamid are friends of H. Do you know some more friends of H? Yes, very good. Horse, hat, helicopter, hen are some more friends of H. Children, in this lesson, we learned about hammer. Have you ever seen a hammer? Can you tell me, is a hammer heavy object or lightweight? Very good. Hammer is slightly heavy object. How many boys are there repairing their bicycle? Yes, 2 boys are repairing their bicycle. Let's learn to write letter H. Can you see the red dot? Place your pencil on red dot and move it on other dots. It is very easy. Now, practice to write capital and small letter. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.